my dollars make it hurt.
Hi guys, welcome back to second part of this 2018 summer paper 2-1 of MS Access. So from page number 25 onwards, we're gonna continue here. Each test is marked out of 60. You need to calculate the percentage each student has achieved. That's there in the question as well here. Okay, now here using fields from both tables produce a report. So we are going to pick both tables. This is the report. For the report, we have to first create the query. So once the data is conditioned data or conditional or criteria based data we get into a query, and that is the basis. This query will be the basis for our report. So now let me just create one query over here. Create query design, and it is clearly said from both the tables. Fine. So let's add both the tables and close. Now I'm ready for the steps here in this question. Here, when we start, we have to jump on to this shows only to that point. Okay, so first we have to pick the columns or the fields, the field list. Then after that only we can do any kind of criteria on that. Shows only the fields, student ID, first name, family name, birth date. Now let me pick them. Student ID, then family name is right. The first name, family name, birth date. First name, family name, and birth date. Now next, full time, test date, unit. Full time is here. Test date is it order? Full time, test date, and then unit. Score, result, score, where is the score, and result. Okay, here is the list here, and after that we have a new column, I guess. After the result we have this percentage underscore mark in this order with the data and labels displayed in full. Do not group the data. Okay, here this is a new column. Let's start, and its calculation is over here. Okay, it contains a new field called this one, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the score divided by 60 and be displayed as a percentage with 0 decimal places. Okay, we have to format it as well after the calculation. Now here, so here is the new column, percentage underscore mark is a new column. Take a the colon there, 2 dots. Then what's the calculation? Put in the square bracket the score, close the square bracket. It's divided by 60. Okay, it's divided by 60 as per the question over here. It's divided by 60 and displayed as a percentage. That will do later. Okay, so now this calculation is this much only. Press enter. Okay, just let me check whether this is working for me. Save, and here I'll give query 25 is 25. Okay, now just let me run this and check. It's very long numbers we got, so we're gonna, that's what they said, to reduce it to 0, and a percentage as well. Okay, now let's go for that. Back here, design, select it and go to property sheet, and we're gonna use, what is that, percent, a percent, and here we just take 0 decimal places. Okay, okay, save. Now just let me run this and check. Look at that. Yes, this is a new column. Perfect. Now let's go to the question paper. This is done, and this is also done. Shows only the records where full time is yes. Unit includes internet. Let me go to design. Now this is a criteria. What's that? Unit is yes, I guess. No, sorry. Full time internet. Unit is internet, and full time is yes. Here I just type in internet. Okay, just press enter, and full time is yes. Save and run. Oh, sorry. Unit is over here. Computer is smart. It catches me. Unit contains yes, I guess. Right? Includes in the sense we have to use like double quotes, then star, internet, star, then double quotes. Okay, save and run. That's all. How many records now? 65 we reduced to. Okay, next we'll go for this whole thing is done. Now test date was on or after 1/9/16 and on or before 31st/8/17. Okay, so almost 1 year it is. Okay, 12 months. So it is a range. It's a range of data. It's a range of data. How do we mention this in the criteria? Okay, we use between clause. We use between clause. What is the field? Test date. Where is the test date? Over here. Okay, I need enough space here. Between and we'll type in the date. What is the date? 1/9, that's 01/09/2016, and okay, whenever you use between there should be and. Then 31 this /8/2017. Just press enter. See, it's changed to our date format. Fine, just save and just check once. Just now 46 records left, and you see the test date all 16 and 17. That's it. Perfect. Now let's go to design. Let's see the further questions. This is done. Sorts the data. Okay, now this is done. The query part is done. We got a perfect how many records? I guess 46. Let me just close this. I got 46 records, right? 46 records are this. Now we're going to work on the form. The report. Okay, create report wizard and query 25. Query 25. Make sure it's been selected and pick all the fields from that. Next. Okay, this is just here just it should be in all single line. Okay, next. Now after this we'll see what is that sorting: ascending order of unit and the descending order of score. Ascending order of unit and descending order of score. Next. Now, what about the orientation? Landscape and one single page wide. It's a landscape and single page width. Next. And what is the title or something heading we have? It includes title, internet units completed, formatted so that it displays the top of the page. Okay, now let me type in, then I'll format it. Okay, what is that? Internet units completed. Here internet units completed. Then modify the report's design, finish. This is the design view of the report. Okay, here is the one we have to format it. Let's just select that. At the top, yeah, centered within the width of the page. Okay, let me just center it. Okay, it should be centered. Fine. Here it is centered right now. Okay, and after this, in a bold serif 28 font style, here bold serif, it's bold serif font, that is Microsoft. We have Microsoft sans serif. Okay, and all letters fully visible on the top. Okay, even I would like to change the color of it to something like this. And is it 20? Oh, sorry, it's 28, right? It's 28. Okay, 28. Change that to, yeah. Just adjust it. Next. Next we'll go for okay. After this all done. Calculates average score and places this below the score column. Displays the average score as an integer. Okay. Average score. Where is the score? This is the score. Okay. Select it. Go to report design, and here we have the average. Okay. Select. Widen to see the formula of it, and we have to keep it what? The integers, right? Okay, just to go to property sheet and format. Here we have just fixed number and no decimal places. Okay, okay, fine. Next. Now what else? As an integer, okay, has a label average mark to the left of this value. Okay, take a label and place it here, average mark. Average mark. Okay, fine. Save, and just let me view in the layout. How is my calculation? Oh, I have to adjust the columns. Sorry. Here is the 150. Okay, fine. I guess unit is here. I'll just adjust that first. Okay, fine. And just adjust this all. Score is here. Like this. See, this is a score. Okay, and first name, the last family name, something. Okay, the date, some date it is, birth date. Okay, this is birth date and full time. I'll push it there. Okay, then this is some other date, test date. Let it clearly visible. Just have patience and just do it. These are the dates and the result. Okay, and what is this one? Percentage of mark, my hard work calculation. Okay, and that's a percentage. Okay, perfect. Now, oh, here's something. See, missed out. This is what till down. Just we have to keep on checking. Okay, a little more. I have to just drag it, I guess, till where it's going. So let me see. Let me see. Okay, till here. Okay, done. Okay, and units are score. Score is here. Under that, I have to place my calculation. Here I have to place it. Here, just here's the one, and I'm gonna just format this bit so that I can just enhance it, highlight it for that reason. Okay, now just go to design, select and select, go to home, and here just I'm going to make it 14, sorry, and this one is, and even I can have the color as well, just it's up to me. Okay, save and go to layout and check how it's appearing there at the bottom. Yeah, there's the one. Look at that, just will. Okay, perfect. Save. Now I guess we're going to take a screenshot. Let me see. Go to design here, design view. This one we have to take the evidence of this. Let's just widen the column for now. Later we'll adjust that, and press print screen on your keyboard. Wait, let me open slide shot. Okay, now print screen. Just crop it how much it's required. Okay, and we can even highlight it of your this no function calculation. Yes, and take a copy of it. Go to your folder where we have this evidence. This is the evidence. Just I closed it. Which is the evidence now? Evidence number 7 over here. Okay, paste it. Fine. Now next, this is done. This is also done. Now go to the next. Yeah, we're going to create a small report. Now this job is done. It's totally. Let's have a final look at this. Let me adjust that this one here exactly under this. Now this is done. Save it and close. We'll go for another small query. See, as per this 26, produce a report from all the data which has some set of conditions. Now let me go to this axis, create a query design, and which are the tables I need here from all the data. Means we have to select both the tables, add and add. Close. Now let me see the list of the fields. Displays the fields student ID, unit and result. Student ID, unit and result. Next, test date, test day and start time. Test date, here it is, test date and test day, start time. In this order with the data labels and all displayed. Okay, this point is done. Now go to the top, select only those records where test day is Friday or Monday. Test day, where is test day? Here, Friday or Monday. Just enter Friday or Monday. Friday, spelling Friday or Monday. Monday, God kids. Okay, press enter. Month day. Okay, save. Now let me save it with Q and what's the question number over here? 26. 26. Okay. Now question paper. Start time is 18 hours or later. Later. Okay. 18 or later. Start time here. Later in the sense more. Okay. More than or equal to 18:00:00. Okay. Save. Now just run it and check what's the data we are getting. All this start time is having the criteria, and Monday and Friday only in the test dates. 18 hours or more here. See exactly this is 18 hours. Okay, fine, it's done. Now what else? Just we can highlight this. Sorts the test date field so the oldest date is listed first. Oldest date is the less date. Newest date is the more date. So it is ascending order. Okay, it is ascending. Small date, oldest date is the small date. It counts as a numbers in computers. The date is counted as a numbers. Counting keeps on counting, is growing like date as years are growing. The counting numbers is growing. So old date is the less number, newer dates are the old number, the maximum number, more number. So here test date is in ascending order. It has to be ascending. Save. Has a page orientation of portrait. Okay, this one we will go for the report. Okay, now let's go. Let me end this. This job is done. Save and back here. Now close this. Create report wizard and Q26 now. Make sure you are selecting Q26 and next. No, this one you have to select. Okay, all the fields have to come in the list. Next, ascending we did it. Now this one no, has a page orientation portrait and fits on a single page. Orientation is portrait and fits on a single page. Next, includes the title evening testing sessions in a larger font size at the top of the page. Evening testing sessions. Okay, let me just here type in evening testing sessions. Modify the reports design. Close. This is the design. Let me see in the layout. See, I have to adjust this bit properly. After this, over here, make sure see this are displayed properly, all the details. And here just this one of this one. Adjust it like this. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yes, wonderful. Now let me see what else I have to do. Has your name sent in? Yeah, I have to work on this. I have to work on the title. Let me just check that title here. So go to design, save, home, view, design. Now here, larger font. For that, go home and just increase the like 26, and even we can change the color and bold. I'll make it fine. Look at that. A larger font is needed. It is saying. Okay, and the larger font, even you can take it 30 something. Okay, I'll just type in 30. Okay, wonderful. Now next, has your name, center number, candidate number on the report. Where save and print here this one. Okay, save and print your report. I'm going to print the report here, where I'm going to add in the footer. Okay, I'll add in the footer my details. Just I'll get a space over there. Here, just report design and the label. Here, I'll type in my details, center number, then candidate number, like this. And even I can just format it a bit to highlight it, like this. Save and just view in the layout. Go to the bottom and see. Yes, this is the one. Okay. Now we are going to print that as well. Okay, this is done. Now, question number 27. John is planning to validate data entry. Define the term data validation. Name the most appropriate type of validation that would be used in the score field. Identify the most appropriate validation criteria that would be used in the score field. Name another type of validation to check data entry. Type your answers in your own words in the evidence, and the evidence is 8. Yeah, it's already, I guess it's there. Look at that. What is the validation? Data validation is checking data to be reasonable or sensible. It checks data against many criteria to be satisfied when input into computer. And what is the second equation there? Name the most appropriate type of validation that would be used in the score field. Yeah, that should be range check. And just if I give an example like between 0 and 60, or more than or equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0, or more than 0 and less than 61, it could be this way you can test it. And any other validation could be lookup check or limit check, etc. Okay, this is done. Oh, so this is a different one. So Access 2018 is done.